Okay, here's the thing. I'm all digital anyway. This is the console for me. Introducing the all-new Xbox One S All-Digital Edition console. Now, the Xbox One S is the best value in games and entertainment. That means you get 1 terabyte of storage, you get the 4K video streaming, and of course, this matching wireless controller in stunning robot white. Now, what makes this new console different, you might be asking? I'm glad you did. It's the first all-digital Xbox One console, which means it doesn't have a disk drive. Here's what makes this awesome. Your games, saves, and backups are safe in the cloud. Your content travels with you, so you can play your games on any Xbox One. Pre-install new digital games so you can play the moment they launch. Plus, you get great digital offers to try out Xbox Game Pass. Here's the thing. This console is all about giving gamers choice. Speaking of choice, you get 3 full game downloads. The first, Minecraft. Create anything you can imagine. Explore infinite worlds and survive the night. Now includes cats and pandas. You also get a full game download of Sea of Thieves, adventure with your friends on the high seas, be more pirate, arr! A full game download of Forza Horizon 3, go down under with more than 350 cars. Finally, 1 month of Xbox Live Gold so you can play multiplayer with your friends on the most advanced multiplayer network. If you're living the digital life and you're gaming, then the Xbox One S All-Digital Edition console is the one for you. But this is mine.
Get the Xbox One S All-Digital Edition.